Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We're still in Getting Help lessons, and this lesson will be about Pinfo command. Pinfo is more in-depth than the manual page. Pinfo documentation is structured as hyperlinked. So you can click on links inside Pinfo to get more details about the subject you are looking for. So we can say that Pinfo is similar to the text web browser. Now let's type Pinfo, then tar. This command will open the Pinfo documentation for the tar command. The tar command is used to archive files in Linux. We will talk about tar command in our future lessons. But for now, we just need to open the Pinfo and display the documentation for tar command. So let's press enter. As you see, here is the Pinfo documentation for tar command. You can go down using the down arrow, and to go up, press on the up arrow. To go to next screen, press on page down, and to go to the previous screen, press on page up. Now let's go down using the down arrow. As you see here under the menu, there are some topics, and when I move to any topic such as tutorial, as you see the tutorial highlighted with a different color, a red color as you see. So to open the tutorial topic, press enter. Okay, now as you see I am in tutorial topic. It's an introduction to tar command, and now I can navigate any topics here, or simply I can go back to the parent node of this topic by pressing on U. Okay, as you see when I pressed on U, the Pinfo moved me back to the main topics, which is node top. Now let us search for the word tutorial. So press on slash and let's type tutorial here beside enter regular expression. So I will type tutorial. I will type tutorial. Now press enter. As you see, it took me to tutorial. To repeat the search, press on slash again. And as you see, the tutorial is still there. So to repeat search, press enter. And now as you see, all the statements that has the word tutorial has been highlighted, such as tutorial introduction, file tutorial, verbose tutorial, and help tutorial. Okay, now let us check the header of the Pinfo documentation. As you see here, we are in node top, and the next topic is introduction. So if you want to go to the next node, which is introduction, press on N. As you see now, we moved to the introduction node, and to go back to the previous node, let's press on P. As you see, the P button moved us back to the top node. Now to quit the Pinfo, let's press on Q. And by that we get to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in next lesson.